Today we are going to unbox Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro. In the box we have SIM ejector tools, manuals and guides. Mobile cover. Again inside, we have 18-watt charging power adapter, Type-C charging cable. Let's put this aside and look into mobile itself. It is powered with Android 10, MIUI 11. The Redmi Note 9 Pro offers a truly beast performance in every department. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G, 6GB RAM. Storage, 128GB and expandable up to 512GB.